How to install packages in your Pycharm. So it's going to be done inside your settings. So of course, navigate yourself there, go into your Python and make sure you already have your project. But anyways, once you've done that, you can go ahead to your project name. So make sure it's the exact project name that you have, and then to its Python interpreter. We don't really have the project on right now, but we have a similar option to do so, which is here in our Python and then inside interpreter. So this page will show all installed packages. So what you're going to do is just press on this, which is the plus button and the install button. It's usually going to be found here on the top left corner, and you can search for the package you want once this is available. You can go ahead and find your interpreter here as well. Just go ahead and press on show all and you'll have a few options. Just press on OK or apply and then you will be able to choose what to install. Now you can also add interpreter over here. You can choose from a local interpreter, SSH, WSL on your Docker or Docker Compose. You can also install packages using Pycharm's built-in terminal, but you can always just choose whichever option you'd like. So those are a few options you have if you want to install packages in your Pycharm. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.